My name is Evie. I'm from Graz. After Matura, I decided I want to study languages. So I started with French and Italian. And after a while, I found out, okay, Italian doesn't work. I had to catch up with Latin. So I dropped Italian and I took English. And after a while only, I think it was my husband. My husband did the teaching thing. So I thought I could do, and it turned out to be the right thing for me. Teaching children in school fairly late. I was 40 already, so I have had my own kids already. So I was a mother and had some experience with children, but towards teaching. In my school, we had a lot of trainings, different trainings, which made me change, and the biggest change, I think, was at the very end when they introduced the Neue Matura, and I had to I used to be a crafts teacher, and in Austria there's a difference between technical and textile crafts. Before, technical crafts, boys only. Textile crafts, girls only. And my motivation to do the training to be a crafts teacher was when my daughter got to school, got to gymnasium, and she did the same stuff as me when I was a child in crafts. So I decided to do this training, and we in my teaching we created a curriculum that combined boys' technical stuff and girls' textile stuff, and everybody that were mixed groups, same number of students, boy students, same number of girl students, and everybody had to sew, everybody had to use the saw, whatever. And I think this was one part I did for the gender thing. I also had in my French class, sometimes we chose some texts that we read together, boys and girls, and sometimes we divided girls this text, boys this text, and afterwards they come back and discuss it. And I think it's important as well that you work against these stereotypes. For girls, it's this, and this, and for boys, it's this, and this, and which is not true, because I realized that boys are very interested in a sewing machine, for example, how it works, and girls want to learn how to use the electric drill. The sewing and know all the stitches, but to mend a hole, sew on a button, that's important. You should know, and the girl should know how to drive a nail into everybody. Each inclusively, team teaching, for example. If you have got two persons, then it's possible. Boys and girls have to learn to cope with each other. That's important.